Hi students, let us see a program to print the day of the month. Okay, like here, day of the month and as well as other details like number of years, days, etc. Those I would like to print with the help of the switch statement. So I have defined a function like find day of the week. Okay, see here, and I'm checking whether the given year is a leap year or also. See, what I'm doing is first I have these two functions, user defined functions. One is the leap test. For the leap test function, what I'm doing here is I'm passing the arguments as three arguments. One is the date, second one is the month, and third one is the year. And find day of the week for this function, I'm passing the date, month, and year. The number of arguments here same for these two functions. Okay. So regarding the functions, we'll see in the functions concept how to define a function and the examples, few programs on the functions concept. Let's see here. I declared the to enter the date and the month and the year. I have declared here three variables. So I'm reading the year as well as the month as well as and the date. So how do I enter the month? The month also I enter in the form of the integer only. Like if it is the January, you enter 1. If it is the February, just you enter 2, like that. Okay. Next, I'm calling this function find day of the week with the help of those three values. Okay. So let us assume here I entered the date as 21 and the month as 2 and the year as 2022. Okay. So with those values, find day of the week here. Inside this year percentage 100 something that we are storing in the yy variable, then some century by 100 that we are storing inside the century variable, then whatever the date I have entered that I am displaying here. Then this is the some formula if you like to find out the day. Okay, so 1.25 star yy plus leap test plus date minus 2 star century percentage 4. So I require the century and as well as the yy. For these two values, I have written the statement like this. Next, it goes to the leap test function. Okay, and after that, I get the result day of the week that I'm dividing it by 7. I'm finding out the remainder here because percentage symbol is for the remainder. Okay, and if that one is 0, I'm displaying it as a Sunday. If it is the 1, sorry, if it is the 0, I'm displaying it as a Saturday, and 1 Sunday, 2 for Monday, 3 for Tuesday, like that up to year 6 Friday, and Saturday again here 0 only. So once you are when you are printing it here to find out the leap test, okay, I call this leap test function. So what is the rule here is that year should be divisible by 100 and as well as should not be divisible by 400. Then leap year equal to 0. 0 is nothing but I am displaying it as a storing the some value here, leap year equal to 0. Else if year percentage 4 equal to 0, leap year equal to 1. Okay, so 1 is nothing but I am saying it as a true, 0 is nothing but I am saying it as a false. Then else leap year equal to 0, and the months with the help of the formula I'm calculating here. Then that f month variable percentage save an year. So there I'm finding the remainder, that whatever I find the remainder, that I forwarding it to this leap function. So what I have written here, leap test, for this function I have passed those values. Okay, like this I find out the particular day for a given date here. Okay, let's see here. So I'm giving the year as 2022, enter the month, I'm giving it as a 2, and the date I'm giving as a 21. Okay, see here, given day equal to, it is printing it as a Monday. So whatever the date here it is showing on the clock Monday, that date it is showing, printing it. Okay, so like this I can identify, I can print out the particular day for the given year, date and the month.